Dear students, today we are going to read about a great personality of Bihar whose name is Dasrath Manjhi. Dasrath Manjhi is not alive today, but his name is still alive, and his deeds will remain him alive. Dasrath Manjhi was born in a very poor family. The place was Gehlor, and it is near Gaya in Bihar. Dasrath Manjhi, who became famous as Mountain Man, was born in 1934. He was born in a very poor family, so his life was very difficult in the beginning. There was no work for him to do, and for getting work, he went to Dhanbad in Jharkhand. You are seeing the picture of Dasrath Manjhi. He worked there in coal mines. As you know, Dhanbad is full of coal mines. So he got a job there and he worked there for many years. Later on, he returned to his village. When he returned there, that time he married Falguni Devi. Falguni Devi was a devoted wife. She used to help Dasrath Manjhi in his work. When Dasrath Manjhi worked, that time she took her lunch and go to her. Once when she was going to her husband to bring him lunch, that time she slipped and injured herself. It is said that after some time she died. Dasrath Manjhi became very shocked. Manjhi thought to do something in his life, and he decided that very night that he will make a path through the Gehlor hills, and for it he decided and started working. His purpose was to make medical aids easily available for the villagers. Dasrath Manjhi started his work with hammer, and he went to break the mountain with a hammer and chisel. When people saw him, that time people thought he is lunatic or he is mad. But Dasrath Manjhi did not move from his path. He worked day and night. It took 22 years to make a path. Dasrath Manjhi carved a path that is 360 feet long, 30 feet wide, and 25 feet deep. And these all things were done with the help of a hammer and chisel. As you know, nobody gave him any support. He had to sell his gods to buy a hammer. At last, he became successful and he made the travel short between Atari and Wazirganj blocks of Gaya. The distance, which was 55 kilometers, he turned that distance into 15 kilometers. This is the cause he is called the mountain man. Dasrath Manjhi, who is called the mountain man, died of cancer on 17 August 2007. Really, this is the story of a person who can do a great work in his life. As we discussed, Dasrath Manjhi was born in a poor family. He had not so many options. He had not so many facilities. In spite of it, Dasrath Manjhi made a path through the mountain. When you want to do any work, that time there must be strong determination in you. Without strong determination, a man cannot get success in his life. But if you have strong determination, like Dasrath Manjhi, it is sure that you will be successful in your life. As he took the determination and decided to make a path. Actually, his wife Falguni Devi died because he could not provide medical facility to her when she slipped and hurt herself. It was a difficult task for him to provide medical facility because the distance between Atari and Wazirganj block was 55 kilometers and it was not possible for him to take her there. And this was the cause her wife died. And that very night he decided to move the mountain or break the mountain. But as you know, when you decide to do any difficult task, that time people think you are mad, you are lunatic. It also happened with Dasrath Manjhi. In the beginning, Dasrath Manjhi was thought to be a madman, a man who sold his gods to buy a hammer. Whatever, he is going to make a path through the mountains and with the help of hammer. But it became successful. And these all things were done alone. But it took time. It took time of 22 years. But he didn't move. He moved the mountains. He made a path. And he made the distance shorter between Gehlor and Atariganj. As you know, if you want to do anything in your life and if you want to do any great work, that time it is sure that you must have a strong determination. If you have a strong determination, you can do anything. There is nothing impossible in this world. It is said that even in impossible it is said I am possible. and Dasrath Manjhi did it possible, and he did it alone. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet again in next video, and we will know something more about your book. Thanks a lot.